Assessing acute stress disorder in trauma patients, the role of the National Stressful Events Survey Acute Stress Disorder Short Scale (NSESSS) tool. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Introduction. Acute stress disorder, ASD, is a reaction to stress that is experienced 3 days to 4 weeks after a traumatic event. ASD causes symptoms like distractibility, irritability, and emotional detachment, lasting 3 days to 1 month after a traumatic event. In 2021, about 40 million emergency department (ED) visits were recorded for acute injuries, highlighting the need for stress quantification. The National Stressful Events Survey Acute Stress Disorder Short Scale (NSESSS) measures ASD severity in adults following extreme stress, with scores greater than or equal to 14 indicating severe symptoms. Few studies have examined the NSESSS for trauma patients. The purpose of this research is to assess the prevalence of ASD and the predictability of the NSESSS tool in assessing the treatment progress of ASD in trauma patients. Methods. This descriptive study was conducted at a community hospital. Participants were at least 18 years old, arrived at the ED for acute injuries between January 2021 and December 2023, and was seen by the trauma team. The trauma team at the local hospital sent a referral to psychiatry if trauma was involved. There was no exclusion criterion. The inclusion criterion only included that participants had to be 18 years of age and older and were diagnosed with an extremely stressful event or experience if trauma was involved by the trauma team providers. Social workers administered the NSESSS upon hospital arrival, followed by a psychiatric evaluation within 48 hours. Patients were then reassessed by a psychiatrist with the NSESSS and DSM-5 criteria within 7 days, with phone follow-ups for those discharged earlier. Statistical analysis was performed using SPSS software. Results. The study included 27 patients, 17, 63% of whom were male, and 9, 27% had pre-existing psychiatric comorbidities. The median age was 41 years, IQR 27 to 54, and the median NSESSS score was 6, IQR to 15. Among participants, 8 were true positives, NSESSS score greater than or equal to 14 and met ASD DSM-5 criteria, 17 were true negatives, NSESSS score less than 14 and did not meet ASD DSM-5 criteria, and 2 were false negatives, NSESSS score less than 14 but met ASD DSM-5 criteria. There were no false positives. Prior studies suggest acute stress disorder affects 21% to 24% of adults, with an increased prevalence in women. After receiving a diagnosis, an estimated 57% of males and 92% of females go on to develop PTSD within 6 months. The exact reason why most people recover after a traumatic event is unclear. Conclusion. The NSESSS is a promising tool for assessing ASD severity and tracking treatment progress in trauma patients. Early recognition and intervention for ASD are crucial in mitigating long-term adverse outcomes, highlighting the need for further research to understand its impact on patient well-being. for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.